In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a presentation in PowerPoint. This setup takes just a few moments to complete. To begin, open PowerPoint on your computer. This will bring you to the welcome screen where you can start your new project. Once there, look for the option to select Blank Presentation. Clicking this will create a fresh slide deck for you to customize. Now, with your blank presentation open, notice how PowerPoint automatically provides a default title slide. You can click in the text boxes to add your presentation's title and subtitle. This sets the stage for your audience by giving them an overview of what to expect. Once that's complete, it's time to add more slides to expand your presentation. Go to the Home tab at the top of the interface, and from there, click on New Slide. This action will insert a new slide into your presentation, allowing you to choose the layout that best fits the content you plan to add. Next, you'll want to customize the design of your slides to make your presentation visually appealing. Head over to the Design tab. Here, you can browse various themes and select one that matches the tone of your content. Applying a theme will instantly update the visual style of all your slides. From here, you can start adding content to each slide. Click inside the text boxes provided or insert new ones by going to the Insert tab and selecting Text Box. This is where you fill in the details, ensuring your message is clear and engaging. With that out of the way, consider enhancing your slides with images or other graphics. Under the Insert tab, you'll find options to add pictures, shapes, or even icons. This additional media can help illustrate your points and keep your audience engaged. Now, don't forget to add some transitions between your slides. Click on the Transitions tab and select a transition effect that you like. This will create a smooth visual flow as you move from one slide to the next, maintaining the attention of your viewers. Finally, before concluding, take a moment to preview your presentation. Click on the Slideshow tab and select From Beginning to see how your slides will appear to your audience. This review phase ensures everything is in order and ready for presentation. And there you have it, your presentation in PowerPoint is complete and ready to impress.